Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this afternoon. It's been quite a while since I've done one of my Aliexpress haul videos, but I have slowed down with what I've been ordering on Aliexpress purely because excuse me, I've been sorting out my craft room and getting on with that. But I did come across these stickers and I couldn't resist. They are £1.29 a box and they are they're phenomenal actually. I really love them, so I wanted to share these with you. If you want to order them, I will put the link in the description below. It is just one link and you have a choice of all of these different designs. So let me go through them. They are really super gorgeous. Let me show you. Let me just see if I'm not quite zoomed in, am I? That's better. Right, so this is the first one, and they are in lovely like matchbox boxes. Matchbox boxes, look. And look how many you get. You actually get loads and loads and loads. And these, I'm quite into my sort of labels at the moment. So you get a couple of each design. But as you can see, oh, am I out of focus there? That's not very good, is it? Why am I out of focus? Okay, maybe we'll do it this way. Right, let's try that again. So we have those and those. I love these ones. These are gorgeous. These kind of ornate excuse me, style. And then like your airmail ones, and then tags, more sort of tag ones, to-do lists, more tags. They're just really lovely, and you get so many in them. So you've got so much choice. So guest check one, happy birthday, cash receipt, just plain ones, more plain ones, these ones excuse me. So as you can see, you get a load in each box. They really are very lovely. I'm not sure, I think I ordered, I'm not sure if I got all of the designs, but I might have to go back and check. And oh, excuse my cat. Now these ones are like, these have got tickets in there, and these are all stickers. What's this one? Coupon book, ice coupon. Stop it. An ice coupon. Stop it. Move your tush. Auto park. Then these cute number ones. Like ephemera. More tickets. Stop it. More tickets. Adverts. Different like designs on that one. What's this? Disneyland, the original ride. Ice, more tickets. These are mostly like ticket ones, these ones, but these are great if you want to back them onto something. You know, you haven't even got to get your glue out. You just peel the back of them and stick them onto card or coffee dyed paper, or straight onto your project that you are doing. So that's number 2. And you know, I mean, these 8 boxes was just near enough £10. These are delicious. Look at these. I love these. Pink pearl, like a peacock feather. Adverts, like an advert. These vintage ladies, buttons, very art deco. Guys, stop it. My cats are messing around. Like, I love the ladies buttons on here. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. And these are pretty with the roses on. More buttons, lots of button ones. So there's a lot of ladies in that one. And there's, you know, like themes. They are themed. There's a kind of a airmail. You'll see in a minute anyway as we go through them. Right. These are advertisement, cars and retro notes. I don't see any cars. These are vintage labels. So these are mostly all, I think these are all just little labels with little, that's got a B and a postmark. They're French ones. It's just got a flower on. The little diamond ones, flower ones. Look at the rabbit. The rabbits are super cute. More French ones, and they're all in different colours. And you've got like a little toadstool. Oh, squirrel, he's cute. Some woodland sort of ones in here. These are more like woodlandy. Lots of flowers. More flowers. Mushrooms. Flowers. More flowers. Flowers and butterflies. They are lovely. I do like these. I'm going to keep these in their boxes, I think. These ones are tags and advertisements, it says. So you've got some lovely ones there. And then personal diary, that says on that one. This says this got cars on, advertisements, sewing machine, boric acid. I don't know what that one's for. Vintage car service. Typewriter. More typewriter ones. Linseed oil. A little pocket watch. Little crown. More cars. Glycerin and rose scented water. And I think you've got about 4 of each, I think. Lovely pattern. More typewriters. Diluted hydrochloric acid. Lovely. And just like a apothecary label. I love that word, apothecary. This one are, these are like travel sort of ones and postal things. So you've got your airmail sort of ones, and so what's these ones? I've got these modelled up. So you've got like a envelope one, and then you've got some other ones, to and from, airmail, some smaller airmail, fragile, handle with care, this end up, German one, I think that one is. And these are more airmail, airmail, cute airmail ones. Lots of airmail. Then you've got like postmark ones, Rome, more airmail, little letter one, some little banner airmails, some bigger ones, and some more arrows. Right, and this one is more labels. So you've got these cute little ones, you've got oval ones. They're very cute, these are. And these are lots of different little itty bitty ones as well. You've got nice different shaped ones, oval ones, triangle ones, round ones with script on. Let's just say number on, plain ones, lined ones. octagonal ones, rectangular ones, gorgeous decorative ones. I do not know what their shape is. And then we have some more there. I like these oval ones, they are lovely. And then these ones with scripts on, and then these lovely shaped ones, and those ones. So they're just lots of lovely labels. And then the last box are more labels. Now let me just take these out. So we've got round ones. These are more decorative edged ones. So you've got lots of patterns, decorative patterned labels. These are all plain, I think, if I can remember right. They're just all plain circles or different shapes. Very decorative. Just very much in, these are the thing at the minute, aren't they? To just put lots of labels on things, and they're very good if you have journal pages, like magazine pages, and you just want a little area that you can write something on. So these are just perfect to break up a page, a patterned page, you know. There you go. So these are just ones that I've cut out, so I wouldn't worry about them. So those are all the stickers. I hope you've enjoyed them. Don't forget, if you are wanting to purchase any of them, I have put the link to them in the description below. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll be doing some more what's in my AliExpress basket, but not just at this point, because I need to sort out what I do have and what I don't have and what I still need. But I will still be shopping at AliExpress. Of course, it would be rude not to. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.